Today we're doing Module 1, Foundation of Algebra, A.CED.4, Level 3, Reteach. So we're going to be using formulas. So the formula V equals BH over 3 shows how to find the volume of a pyramid. We need to solve for B. So that's our goal, is to solve for B. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to multiply each side by 3. So I'm going to get 3V equals BH. I'm going to divide by H, and my answer would be B equals 3V over H. So the cost of operating an electrical device is given in the formula C equals WTC over 1,000, where W is the power in watts, and T is in time in hours, and C is the cost in cent per kilowatt hour. Solve for W. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, write my equation down here because I don't have any room up there. Then I know I need to get rid of that 1,000. So I'm going to multiply each side by 1,000. So I get 1,000 C equals WTC. And then I'm going to divide by TC. And my answer would be W equals 1,000 big C over TC, the little c. Now the next one, this one's a very common formula. The formula to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit is given by C equals 5 over 9 Fahrenheit minus 32. So the first thing I would like to do is get rid of that 9. So I'm going to multiply by 9. So I'm going to get 9C equals 5, and then F minus 32. I'm going to divide by 5. So I'm going to get 9 over 5. C equals F minus 32. I'm going to add 32 to both sides, and then I'm going to get 9 over 5C plus 32 equals F. Taking a look at the next one, the formula V equals 1/3 pi r squared h is the formula for the volume of a cylinder. Find the radius. So the first thing I'm going to do on this one is I'm going to multiply each side by 3 to get rid of this. So I get 3V, and I get pi r squared h. I'm going to divide by pi and h. So then I'm going to get 3V over pi h equals r squared. Now I'm going to take the square root of both sides, and when I do get the square root of both sides, my final answer would then just be r, and then I'm going to leave it as 3V over pi h. Now this one, we're going to do the surface area of a sphere, so that's this. It's very similar to the one before. I'm going to multiply by 4 and pi, and then I'm going to have S over 4 pi equals r squared. Then I need to take the square root. When I take the square root on this one's special because 4 is a perfect square. We know that the square root of 4 is 2. So that means I got to take that out because perfect squares are what I need to take out. So I'm going to take out the 4, but the 4 is on the bottom, so that means it would have to be a half. So when I take it out, I'm going to take 1 over 2. I'm going to leave the square root of S over pi equals r. So that one's a little tricky. And finally, my favorite equation, I use this often, is I use this for slope. So we need to get slope. The first thing I'm going to do is take the bottom, and I'm going to multiply it. And we've been doing this for a while now. So we get m, and then you get x squared minus x1 equals y squared minus y1. I'm going to add y1 to both sides. And I need to distribute. So make sure we distribute. So when we distribute, we have mx squared minus mx1 plus y1 equals y2. Thanks for listening and have a great day.